The Supreme Court comes alive as the battle for who is the authentic candidate of the All Progressives Congress for Yobe North Senatorial District takes center stage. The courtroom has supporters from both sides and lawyers as the five-man panel of justices delivers judgment on the suit, which determines the fate of the President of the Senate, Ahmad Lawan. Justice Sentus Weze delivered the majority judgment, stating that Mr. Bashir Machina ought to have commenced his case at the Federal High Court with a writ of summons in view of the allegations of fraud in his suit against the defendants. The justices say that the decisions of the Federal High Court in Yobe and the Court of Appeal in Abuja were perverse and must be set aside. However, two other members of the panel, Justice Adamu Jaro and Justice Emmanuel Agim, disagreed with the majority judgment. They held that the lower courts were correct in their findings and declared Mr. Machina as APC's senatorial candidate for the Yobe North Senatorial District. While reading his dissenting view, Justice Agim says APC's primary election held on June the 9th, 2022, which produced Mr. Ahmad Lawan, was an illegal contraption and a ruse, as it was not monitored by INEC. He notes that Mr. Lawan's withdrawal from the Yobe North Senatorial District race on May the 12th, 2022, to vie for the APC presidential ticket automatically disqualified him from the National Assembly election. The two justices held that Mr. Machina was lawfully nominated because the primary election of May 28, 2022, which produced him, was lawfully conducted in line with the provisions of the law. The minority decision says the conduct of another primary on June the 9th, 2022, where Mr. Lawan emerged, is in breach of Section 84, subsection 5 of the Electoral Act, as the APC never cancelled the one held on May the 28th before organizing another one. They therefore dismissed the appeal by the APC for being incompetent and unmeritorious. The President of the Senate had sought to clinch the APC ticket for re-election to the Senate after his failed attempt at the party's presidential ticket last year. However, the lower courts affirmed Mr. Machina as the party's valid candidate for the Yobe North Senatorial District. Mr. Lawan had initially decided not to pursue the case, but the APC took on the case, insisting that he was the authentic senatorial candidate of the party.
This victory is for all of us involved. I am the symbol, but the victory is for our party, the APC, and for democracy.
Mr. Machina and his lawyers declined to speak on the judgment.